I have a 6-pin Schlage lock that I received from a YouTube friend of mine, James Ozment. The lock does work smoothly. This is the bitting on the key. It is locked. Okay, we're going to use the top of the keyway and a medium-sized pick. See if I can get this vise set. Okay, this is the pick we're going to use. We're going to go all the way to the back. Work our way to the front. Got a little bit of movement out of pin 3. Pin 2 felt like it'd give me a little bit of movement. Okay, a little false set out of pin 1. A little more out of pin 6. A little feedback on pin 5. See if we can set it. Okay, I believe pin 5 is set. Okay, pin 4, give me a little bit more false set. Try pin 1. It doesn't feel like it's completely set. Getting some feedback out of it. Pin 1's a hard pin to set. See if we can get pin was stuck there. Pin 1 doesn't feel like it wants set. There it is, open. Okay, pin 1 was holding us back. Okay, let's gut this. See what kind of pins that I have put in it. I thought this lock was a little bit too easy to open, so I did modify the key pins. I didn't mess with the top of the lock, but I did modify the key pins. Okay, the slider open. Okay, let's check the key pins first. Okay, all the key pins are serrated and are spooled. Let's check the top pins now. Okay, there's a spool. It's a serrated pin. Another spool, a little bit longer spool. And there's another spool. And another spool. And another spool. Got a couple of springs with it. Alright, let's see if we can get us a close look of everything. Then we'll get these things set together so we can see them. Alright, come back here. Alright, camera focus. Okay, we've got a spool key pin here. Serrated key pin. 1 and 2. 3 and 4 is another spool key pin. Another spool key pin. And 5 and 6 is a semi-serrated spool. Here's another spool key pin. And then we got all these spools in the top. Alright, that's our challenge lock for the day. I appreciate it. I also need to tell Jeff that I have all of his locks ready and boxed up, and we'll ship them back to him right after Christmas. All have been impression with keys, and I appreciate the locks that Jeff sent me, and appreciate each and every one of you that helped me on this. So I thank you for watching. Please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. And please have a nice afternoon. Kind of wet here in Texas where I am. The rain's let up for right now, but it's going to be a little nice for the next week. Thank you again.